Hello, my dear friends. Today is August 4th. That is the 136th day of the coronavirus with the lockdown. 136. Myself personally, I am a Modi ji supporter. Hmm? But this lockdown, no, I cannot do this lockdown. Not at all, I cannot do it. Food is not there. Water is not there. BBMP, Descom waste fellows, full day cutting current. How can I live like this? How can I live like this? I can't do. Maybe you'll say, sir, for everybody it's like that. So you simply sit. Understandable. I understand that. Okay, fine. I can handle it. Huh? I'm sitting. But there is one thing I cannot handle it. I'm telling you. Not at all. I cannot handle it. My family.
According to multiple reports, you don't have a social life. Do you have any comments on that?
I have a social life. I hang out with people. What do you think? Stylish or more comfortable? You're right. Should have gone with this the whole time.
So we've heard that you have a crazy obsession with this show called Bachelor in Paradise. Can you please tell us why you're so fond of the show?
Obsession? No, I don't even watch the show. I don't. What is Bachelor? That's crazy. Speaking of crazy though, Rose last week, she definitely tried to throw Karen off the show. Definitely.
So, do you have any comments about the recent hit that your reputation took?
My reputation is still intact. You see, it's perfect. It is. It's good.
Meghna, you've literally been in there the whole day. What are you doing? Can you stop using the restroom? I need to go in as well.
What do you mean all day? I just got in. You know it takes time for my chambers to open.
An eternity later.
तुम्हें पता है ना, टॉयलेट पे ज्यादा समय बैठने से पाइल्स हो जाता है.
That's impossible, right?
Do you still use a lota?
Yes, I use a lota. The faucet is really sharp. Some might fault you guys are thick-skinned. But yes, ma'am.
Do you literally not know how to flush the toilet? What's wrong with you? Are you a child? Go flush, disgusting.
No, class. Oh God.
So, do you have any news to break about the recent cat fight that you had with your mother-in-law?
Cat fight? Kitty cat fight? Hi Ram, is this a grey hair? Bahu, come here right now. हाँ जी माता जी बोलिए. See what this is? It was in my food. Are you trying to kill me? You listen close. In our 30 years of marriage, your father-in-law couldn't kill me. Ma, what you will do to me? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਮਾਤਾ ਜੀ? This is a grey hair. This cannot be mine. I am so young. So young it seems. When was last time you went to salon? 4 or 5 months back, no? You see, you have so much grey hair, you look like me. बाहर नहीं जा सकते क्योंकि कोरोना नाम का भूत मंडरा रहा है और घर में
Around here.
Wait, what?
You have been spending your time at home learning how to speak Korean, right?
I have actually. Since I had so much time just lying around during this lockdown, I decided to put it to good use and learn Korean. Because why not?
Why don't you tell us something in Korean?
Yeah, sure. How about El gato a la biblioteca con el queso? That means that I'm learning Korean and I'm quite good at it.
Aisha, that's Spanish.
What? I mean, I knew that. Like, duh. I was just checking if you knew it. I was checking if you knew about your languages. I knew it.
I know you can't tell because I still look like I'm 25 years old, but I actually get my hair done professionally. ये सब homemade movement ना हमसे नहीं होता है. And I didn't want to go out at this time and become a potential carrier of the virus and risk anyone's life, not just mine. यार, मैं इतनी भी selfish नहीं हूँ. Plus, I don't want my Saas to die. Don't tell her I said that.
So when will we hear the good news? When is the baby due?
Huh? There's no good news, shit news, huh? And don't you dare imply that I'm getting fat. In fact, ਅਸੀਂ ਤੇ डाइटिंग शाइटिंग भी करने हैं.
ये डाइटिंग शाइटिंग कुछ नहीं है, ये बस नाटक है. 3 nights ago at 2 a.m. I saw her eating my bar of stickers. Mine.
Hi Pratyush, my question for you is what's one thing that you really truly worship?
Maggie. I just love Maggie. It's 20 times easier to cook and 20 times better than my mom's cooking. What? I'm not sponsored by Maggie. I swear.
Yes, I'm ready for my time. Yes.
So we've heard that you really like to show off about your quote-unquote perfect family. Do you have any comments on that? Would you like to elaborate on it?
Yes, I'll elaborate on that actually. So the thing is, in Corona times like this, my children and my children's children, they're so quiet. They don't do anything. All they do is sit at home, be completely quiet, no mischief, nothing. They do the online classes and they sleep again. So because in childhood, back in my day, I used to go down and play. But how will these kids go, right? The corona and all that, full virus, they'll get apartment also doesn't allow. So the thing is, I would like to say that all you kids, no, you need to learn. You need to learn from my children's children. My grandchildren are perfect. Sugar is actually less than this. Next time, no, put at least 8 to 7 cups of sugar. Okay. So the thing is, hey, I'm talking to my interviewers. Means why you coming? Why you playing cricket? Fools. Yes, my children, no, they don't do any mischief at all.
But wait, all these little anecdotes are more than what they seem to be. At face value, one would think that these are simply little humorous events that occur in a household during lockdown. But is that all? Let's go over it one more time. The scene in which the older daughter is talking to a bottle, it goes to show that she is in fact following the rules of lockdown and maintaining social distancing, and that will help in the containment of the virus. The scene in which the daughter-in-law and the mother-in-law are fighting is supposed to depict the exact reaction of the people in power who are just fighting amongst each other and are not addressing the real issue or trying to solve it. It's unproductive and a complete waste of time. The scene in which the younger daughter forgets to flush the toilet is a depiction of how some irresponsible citizens are not taking the appropriate sanitary measures which will help to contain the virus. The girl who claims to know Korean but speaks Spanish instead goes to show the lack of awareness amongst the people and the rampant spread of fake news. And the boy obsessed with Maggie is a clear depiction of ignorant people who, instead of improving their immunity at this time, are concerned about having to eat the same beans for 2 nights in a row. The ball hitting the grandfather represents how carelessness and recklessness by others can affect the older people in society who might not have the immune system that is fit to battle the virus. So in conclusion, I would like to request all of you to take the right measures in order to protect yourself and the people around you, so that we not only can experience life in a pandemic, but life after a pandemic as well. Thank you.